Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the previous video we have seen the revision of second unit. Okay, I hope you have understood that lesson. Okay, in this lecture we will see the revision of third unit, that is the HCF and LCM. So let's take the revision. In that unit we have seen the prime numbers. Prime numbers are the natural numbers which are greater than 1 and that cannot be divided by any other number except itself and 1. It means that any number that cannot be further divided, जिसको हम further divide नहीं कर सकते, जिसके सिर्फ दो ही फैक्टर होते हैं, एक होता है 1 और एक होता है नंबर खुद. तो ऐसे नंबर्स को हम कहते हैं प्राइम नंबर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 को हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं नहीं. 3 के फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे? 3 into 1. वी कैन नॉट राइट इट into multiplication of any other numbers except 3 and 1, right? So 3 is a prime number. 2 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 into 1. We cannot further factorize 2 except this. So 2 is also a prime number. It means that any number that cannot be further divided, it has only two factors, the number itself and the 1. So such numbers are called as the prime numbers. Okay, so now let's see some questions. Which is the smallest prime number? Okay, so by definition of prime numbers are greater than 1, always greater than 1. 1 is not a prime number. Okay, so the smallest number is 2. Smallest prime number is 2. Okay, now let's see this list. We have to circle the prime numbers in the list below. See 17 को हम फर्दर क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं, फर्दर डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. नो, इट कैन नॉट बी फर्दर डिवाइडेड एक्सेप्ट 17 into 1. It has only two factors, 17 and 1. So 17 is a prime number. 15, can we divide 15? Yes, 3 into 5 is 15. So it has two factors, 3 and 5. So it is not a prime number. So it is a composite number. So any number that is not a prime number is called as a composite number. Okay, 4. Is 4 prime number or not? Yes, we can write 4 as the 2 into 2, right? It has factors, it can be further divided as 2 into 2. So 4 is not a prime number, so it is a composite number. Okay, 3, can we divide 3? No, 3 cannot be further divided. The only way is 3 into 1. 3 into 1. So 3 is not 3 is a prime number. Okay, so let's try these and circle these numbers, that which are the prime numbers and which are the composite numbers. Okay, let's move on to the next topic, that is the composite number. Composite number is a number that is not prime. जितने भी नंबर है जो प्राइम नहीं है तो उनको हम कहते हैं composite numbers except 1. All the numbers greater than 1 that are not prime, all the numbers greater than 1 that are not prime are called as a composite number. For example, 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So it is not a prime number, so it is called as a composite number. All the numbers that are not prime numbers, means that can be divided, that can be further divided, are called as a composite number. 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So 8 is also a composite number. 10 we can write 10 as 5 into 2. So 10 is also a composite number. 35 we can write 35 as 7 into 5. So 35 is also a composite number. Okay, now what are the co-prime numbers? Let's see. So any two numbers which have only 1 as the common factor are said to be co-prime or relatively prime or mutually prime numbers. It means that any pair of number, if we take the factor of those two numbers, then the common factor is 1. Then such type of numbers are called as co-prime numbers or relatively prime numbers or mutually prime numbers. Let's see some examples. 3 and 8. If we take the factor of 3, then it is 3 into 1. Factor of 3 are 3 into 1 and factor of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. So the only factor that is a common factor in both is 1. So 1 is the only common factor in the two numbers, then those numbers are called as the co-prime numbers or relatively prime numbers or mutually prime numbers. See in 4 and 9, if we take the factors of 4, then it is 1 into 2 into 2. If we take the factors of 9, then it is 1 into 3 into 3. So the only common factor between 4 and 9 is 1. It means that 4 and 9 are the mutually prime numbers or the co-prime numbers or the relatively prime numbers. In the same way, we can see that 21 and 22. If we take the factors of 21 and 22, then the only common factor between 21 and 22 is 1. Likewise 22 and 23. If we take the factors, then the only common factor between these two is 1. Similarly, in 23 and 24, the only common factor is 1. It means that these pairs are the co-prime numbers or mutually prime numbers or relatively prime numbers. Okay, so it's the homework for you to write at least 5 pairs of co-prime numbers. Okay, so take any two numbers and check whether it is a co-prime or not. Okay, if we take any two numbers, you will see that any two consecutive numbers, consecutive हम किसे कहते हैं, जो एक के बाद एक आते हैं, जो exactly एक के बाद एक आते हैं, तो उन्हें हम कहते हैं consecutive numbers. So any two consecutive numbers are always co-prime. For example 11, 12, these are the consecutive numbers and these are co-prime numbers. Okay, you can check this. If we take the factor of 11 and 12, then the only common factor between 11 and 12 is 1. Similarly 13 and 14, the only common factor is 1. So 13 and 14 are the co-prime numbers. Okay, now let's see what are the twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers. Twin. If the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, if the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, then the numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. What does it says? If the difference between any two prime numbers is 2, we have to take two prime numbers, and if their difference is 2, then such pair of numbers are called as the twin prime numbers. For example 3 and 5 are the prime numbers and their difference is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 3 and 5 is a pair of twin prime numbers. 5 and 7. 5 is also a prime number and 7 is also a prime number, and the difference between 5 and 7 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 5 and 7 is the twin prime numbers. 11 and 13. 11 is also a prime number and 13 is also a prime number, and the difference between them is 2. So 11 and 13 is twin prime numbers. In the same way 29 and 31 is also a pair of twin prime numbers. Hope you have understood. It is the homework for you to write all the prime numbers between 20 and 30. You have to write all the prime numbers between 20 and 30. Okay, and you have to also mark out which are the prime numbers and which are the composite numbers between 20 and 30. Okay, in the next video we will inshallah see the HCF and LCM and how to find the HCF and LCM. Okay, Allah Hafiz.